Here's a quick video how to use GIST of SVerchok using Blender. So you have the add-on already installed. You simply grab the link for GIST over here. And this is Blender 3.0. I can switch to SVerchok nodes, create a new node 3, and simply import the GIST link. It's gonna load the node 3 for you. So we have these worms, and we can perhaps add a random number, for example, into the radius, so we can have something it's looking pretty neat like that. Okay, if you want each worm to have different radius, you can split the curve, or actually split the numbers, so we can have something like this. So you can have like a maybe 100 or 1000, or actually just make it 256 and just have 256 numbers, and you can have these worms. Okay, so I store it like this, so it's easier, and it's you can use any version of SVerchok, and you can update to latest SVerchok. This will just generate the nodes for you, so it's much more modular. All right, so there you go. Hopefully this is useful. Thanks again for tuning in. Bye.